Hello guys, we are going to set up local yum repository server on server 01. Okay, this is lab setup number 2. We are still setting up the lab environment. We are going to set up the local yum repository server. So we'll be installing a web server, we will be creating the file and we'll be synchronizing it from the main repository. So all other systems in my network will be talking to this yum repository server for any latest packages to download or install. So let's start with this one. I am on server 01.example.com. The IP address. Currently, this server is connected to internet and CentOS repository. Yum, these are the 3 Yum repositories. This is okay. This is for this system. Let me install. So this is installed. I will also enable it so that it is persistent across boots. At the status, this service is running, so we are good. So now I will see that this website, this particular location gets created, this folder gets created when you install HTTPD. I will be creating one folder called repos. So in this folder, we are going to create few folders where the mirror for the Yum repository will be created. At this location, we will be creating a mirror of the actual remote repository. So this location will act as our local Yum repository, so which will be showing through web browser. Okay. So currently, I can see this system is configured using. This is okay. So we will, for this local Yum setup as well, we will be using these repositories to be synced on in this folder. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, we'll be running few commands. So what happens? So under this location, base OS folder will be created, and from the remote repository, all the packages under this will be downloaded at this location. Let's check. As this is syncing over internet, it can take some time. So there are 3,753 packages which are getting downloaded here. So we will wait for a few minutes. This is just 1%. So this reposing for base is completed. It says that 3753 packages are downloaded. Let's check. So it has created one folder called base OS. Let's check in packages. There are packages. Let's do the count. So these are the packages which are downloaded in that. These are the RPMs which are downloaded locally. Let's suppose this gets updated on the remote repository. If we will run the repo sync again, it will update the latest one. So let's execute the another command now to sync AppStream. it will automatically create a folder with AppStream. This is also going to take some time, and we will wait for that. So this entire sync process can take up to 35 to 40 minutes, depending upon speed of your internet. So I can see there are 13,143 packages which are required to be downloaded. So it's going to take some time. Okay. So let's wait for that. So we can see that there is a repo sync happening between local AppStream repo and remote AppStream repo. So there are 13,143 packages, out of which 2,000 packages approximate are still left. So let's wait for that. So it has been successfully completed. Repo sync of base OS and AppStream is completed. We'll be going with the third step. So this should be quick. Extras Common is having very less packages in the remote repository. So what we are trying to create a mirror of remote repository and local repository. Yeah, this should be quick. It is done. So I can see I have at this location we have 3 folders. We are all good. AppStream. 15,000 packages from AppStream and 3,700 packages from base OS and few packages from Extra Common. This is okay. So we have mirrored it. Tomorrow again we will sync it so that we will have any updated packages here. So this folder is going to be our local yum server where packages will be stored. Okay. So now we are going to open up firewall rules. So for me, it is already enabled, which is all. So now I'm going to go to desktop. Desktop01.example.com. I'm going to open Firefox browser and I'll go to desktop and try to access these URLs. So that if that works here, it will confirm that the repository is accessible to these systems. So this system will act as a yum client. So now we will use it through name. Initially we were using IP address. So let's check this one. So it is showing from server 01 we are getting this repository. We are good. AppStream, base OS and Extras Common. Thank you.